ending in positive territory, 60 points higher thereabouts. So some fight back there. We've been talking about commodity stocks. A lot of the names like Coal India, Hindalco, Tata Steel, they've done pretty okay. And you have names like SBI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, these banks. They've managed to hold things together. But I guess, Nigel, it is still a jittery market. It's still a little all over the place. And we end the February series on a fairly indecisive kind of fashion.
Absolutely, Surbhi. It was that sort of a day, and the bulls at least will feel that we managed to defend the 17,500 odd mark, because in the initial few minutes itself, we had gone ahead and broken that mark. What did well then in today's trading session? From the broader markets, you had Indus Stars that was up close to around 6%. Oh, that's been a volatile stock. Indian Hotels, questions whether or not the best is behind them, but that stock popped back up in trade. CLSA upgraded Gale, so that one was up close to 3%. And Federal Bank as well participated on the upside, up 2.5%. Kind of a relief rally is what we saw in Dixon Technologies as well as NBCC. On the flip side, Vodafone Idea was down 4.5%. You had India Bulls Housing Finance that was down close to around 4%. Z Entertainment, by the time we wound down, was down only around 4%. The Nifty Bank, well, that ended with a gain of close to around 100 points approximately. But still, the good news, I think, was at least the broader markets. There was some kind of buying that we saw. The mid-cap index ended more or less flattish or mildly in the green by the time we wound up, telling you that maybe there is some kind of buying at lower levels for some of these broader market stocks, which, keep in mind, have got absolutely trounced.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a lot about those individual mid-caps, because the large caps, look at Reliance, look at L&T, HDFC Bank, the big boys are still feeling the weight, really, and we're not seeing any sign of decisive leadership. Yeah. Well, that's this Thursday for you. Expiry is done. We are going to take your leave. But of course, we start a brand new series, a brand new month from the market perspective tomorrow. We'll be back with all the action. Don't go anywhere, though. We have a lot more coming up. Our Thursday special big deal on the other side in just a moment.